Good morning, students. This is English Reader for Class 1, Lesson 3. Let's find out. So here, students, we have 3 conversations out of the first one. 2 children, they are talking to each other. Anita, the girl, I am Anita. So the boy is saying, Ravi, I am Ravi. What is this? It is a ball. Let's play. So here Anita is asking to Ravi that what is it in your hand. So Ravi is saying it is a ball. So now the girl Anita is saying, okay, let's play with the ball. The second conversation, the boy Dave and the girl Reema. Dave, what are these? Reema, these are kites. I love kites. Dave, let's fly them. So here Dave is asking to Reema, the girl, that what are these in your hands? So Reema is saying these are kites and she loves kites. So Dave is saying, okay, let's fly them. Third conversation, 2 girls, Rita and Seema. Rita, where is my doll? Is it on my bed? Seema, no, it isn't. Isn't means no, it is not. Rita, is it in the doll house? Seema, no, it isn't. So on the basis of these conversations, we have the exercises. So these conversations are to improve your vocabulary, to read out the sentences. Answer the questions. Who has a ball? Answer, Ravi has a ball. What does Rita look for? Rita looks for her doll. How do we know that Reema loves kites? She says, I love kites. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. It is a dash. Ball or apple? Ball. We fly dash. Doll. Kite. Kite. The doll is on the dash. Water or chair? Chair. Rita and Seema look for the doll. Doll or ball? So these exercises are from your book. You have to fill it and learn it. Match the following. I can't drive a car. So you can see the line that is matched with the rest of the sentence. My friend can play football. That is the top one. Third, my cat can't run fast. The last one. Fourth, my dog can bark loudly. The second one of the other column. So these exercises are from your book. So just check it out and complete the exercises in your book as well as in your copy. Fill in the blanks with am, is, can or can't. I dash a duck. Am. My name dash Snowy is. I dash swim. Can. I dash run fast. Can't. Answer the questions with the help of the pictures. What does a dancer do? So you can see the picture. A dancer dances. Second, what does a driver do? So see in the picture what is the action going on. A driver drives a bus. What does a teacher do? So you can see in the picture, a teacher teaches. What does a cricketer do? A cricketer plays cricket. Homework. So on the basis of your chapter, these are some questions. You have to do it in your homework. What does a dancer do? So you have to write what does the dancer do. What does a teacher do? Fill in the blanks. My name dash Snowy. I dash run fast. We fly dash. And the next, write and learn days of the week with their spelling. So you have to write Sunday to Saturday with their spellings and you have to learn it in your homework copy. Thank you.